Amiable, an agile, ambitious, and modern company focused on creating a better future every day. Located in Palghar and Wada in Maharashtra and Jamnagar, Gujarat, Amiable is a leading manufacturer and exporter for aluminothermic welding, exothermic welding, copper bonded rods, cable lugs, earth clamps, connectors, gland and accessories, copper products and copper clad conductors. For more than a decade, Amiable has been providing outstanding products and services, developing new technologies and new innovations, maintaining the highest level of quality, and impacting the environment in a positive way. The dedication to provide best products and service has earned Amiable the trust of one of the biggest players in power industry, earthing and lightning industry, transmission and substation industry, electricity distribution, telecommunication industries, railways and solar industries, to whom Amiable brings quality assurance, on-time delivery and high customer satisfaction. The company has in-house metallurgical lab with spectro analysis and microscopic analysis, mechanical lab with Brinell hardness testing machine and transverse load testing machine, and chemical lab. Amiable has a 24 hours power supply with additional backup of generator for uninterrupted functioning of factory. The manufacturing facilities at all the factories of Amiable boasts of latest machines and technologies to give its clients products which are functional as per their requirement. Amiable is one of the best companies in India for thermit welding solutions across the segment. We manufacture everything in-house, right from the thermit powder to prefabricated molds, to one-shot crucible. Amiable has been developing new technologies in the field of railway track construction and repair welding. Its innovations have helped in reducing noise and vibration during train travel and have helped in reduction of maintenance cost and increase in the life of rail and rolling stocks. Amiable is one of the leading manufacturers of exothermic weld powder and graphite mold in India. The company boasts of having machineries like rotary kiln, industrial dryer oven, and automated and semi-automated machines for fabrication of graphite molds. Exothermic weld has superior strength, low electrical resistance, requires minimal maintenance, is corrosion resistant and is environmentally friendly, and can be used with various materials including copper, steel and cast iron, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Amiable is also one of the prominent and leading manufacturers and exporters of copper clad conductors. Copper bonded rods, cable lugs and accessories, Amiable also manufactures, supplies and exports a wide range of earthing products, lightning and protection systems, electrical parts and sheet metal components. Company's operations are backed with all the modern machineries and equipments required for flawless manufacturing. Our high-quality variety of items match the specific needs of the customers. Amiable is an ISO 9001, ISO 45001 and ISO 14001 certified company. Amiable's exothermic welding is UL listed, tested in Canada by PowerTech Lab and is as per the international standard of IEEE 837-2014. And all the products are RoHS and CE compliance. Amiable has supplied products to more than 1,000 customers across 60 countries and aims to become a market leader. Since foundation, the company has grown through continuous development, maintaining highest quality, working with integrity, bringing positive impact on environment and believing in future possibilities. Amiable, creating a better future every day.